Hello, and welcome to Scribe Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the basics of style galleries in the SAI and the SAI Lite. Composition is the act of applying structure to a manuscript. The full process can be found on Scribe's documentation page under the Procedure submenu. A major part of this composition process involves going through the document and applying paragraph and character styles to the manuscript. The SAI has a number of tools to apply these styles automatically. For instance, the Rendering Cleanup tool will apply character styles to text that renders as bold, italic, superscript, and so on. However, individual attention by the user is still required to ensure that all content has been composed with appropriate paragraph and character styles. When you get to this stage, style galleries become very useful. You can think of style galleries as custom palettes for grouping SCML styles together. The SAI comes with several default style galleries to help you get started. Let's load a default style gallery so we can try this feature out. First, go to the Style Gallery menu in the SAI ribbon. Click Load Default Style Galleries. A menu will pop up. Pick the gallery you want to load. Right now, I'm composing the front matter in a book, so I'm going to load the front matter gallery. You can select multiple galleries to open at the same time. We have a number of options here, but in this video we're looking at the basics. Let's look at the Apply Styles palette in the middle of this window. Here we have a list of SCML styles. To apply one of these styles, use the cursor to select text in the document, then press on the Style button. This will apply the SCML style to the selected paragraphs or characters. To apply a style to a paragraph, the cursor can be in any part of the paragraph. If more than one paragraph is selected, the style will apply to all of them. To apply a character style, select all of the text to use that style. The first 10 styles in a style gallery are assigned a keyboard shortcut. If the style gallery is in focus, you can press Alt plus the underlined number to apply the style. Working on a PC, if I have this gallery open and type Alt plus 6, I can apply the CIP style. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut uses the Command button instead of Alt. If we compare this to Word's built-in style pane, we see it's a lot easier to choose styles from our curated gallery than it would be if we had to scroll all the way from one end of the style pane to another to find the right style. If you encounter a paragraph that needs a style that isn't part of the style gallery, you can type the style into the text box here and press Apply Style. I can type sec for a section break paragraph, hit Apply Style, and it works just the same way as if my style gallery had a sec button. The default style galleries can be a good starting point, but they are programmed into the SAI and can't be edited. To create your own style galleries tailored to your project or series, go back to the Style Galleries menu in the SAI ribbon. Click Create or Manage Style Galleries. On the left side of the screen, we have a list of all SCML styles, while on the right side of the screen, we have the styles in the current gallery that we're editing. Right now we're creating a new style gallery, but we could edit a gallery that we previously created, in which case we'd see the existing styles. Select the styles you want to add on the left. Use the Control key on a PC or the Option key on a Mac to select multiple styles. Click Add to add the styles to the active gallery. When selecting a style, the full label for that style name will appear in the center of this interface. Styles can also be added through a comma-separated list. Click Add from pop-up, type or paste in the list of style names, then click OK. To change the order of the styles in your gallery, use the arrows on the right side of the screen or click Alphabetize Gallery to sort the entire list. To remove a style, highlight it in the gallery and click Remove. When ready, save the gallery, assign it a name, and close the window. To begin working with the gallery immediately, use the Save and Open button. User galleries are saved into your SAI and will be available for use in any file. We'll now use the gallery we just created. If you chose the Save and Open option, the gallery is already open. If not, go to the Style Galleries menu. You should see the gallery that we created in the last step. Mac users will need to click a button to load galleries from the dialog box. If you don't see the gallery we just created, closing Microsoft Word and opening it again should fix that. Select the Style Gallery to open it. This looks similar to the default galleries, but there are two additional buttons, Add and Edit. To add a style to the user gallery from this window, type the style name in the window and click Add. Click the Edit button to open the gallery in the Manage Style Galleries window to make more substantial changes. This video was recorded on August 12, 2020. For the latest instructions, updates, and well-formed document workflow tips, go to scribenet.com. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos for more tips to make the publishing process a little bit easier.